So welcome to our demonstration ground. I was going to showcase these fantastic new machines. The end to the right is the proven JS305. Many years in the market, a 7.2 litre mechanical JCB engine, highly productive, highly fuel efficient, specifically designed for the non-legislated market. Building on that success, we have a brand new JS385, a full 5.5 tons heavier in terms of mass, a more capable, a more productive machine, but not at the cost of efficiency. So through the electronic engine, it is highly fuel efficient, so ideally suited to customers' requirements for increased productivity. On to the backhoes. You've seen them on the slide deck. Making an entry. We have the new 3CX in the middle, 3CX Pro and 3CX Plus.
So fitted with the 6-in-1 shovel and the easy shift transmission with the kickdown feature is easily able to win a full 1.1 metre cube. Great materials, 3 times faster than an excavator, and it could load a lorry in twice the time as a 30-ton excavator. So truly a capable machine. And on to the excavator. Our demonstrator Matt is demonstrating the machine's capability to pull a flat-bottom straight trench. So to give you those statistics back, it can grate materials 3 times faster than an excavator, and it could load a lorry in twice the time as a 13-ton excavator. So truly a capable machine. And on to the excavator. We're over 40% more fuel efficient than the key brands that you'll know and love. And of course, the true capability of the Backhoe Loader is its ability to get itself to where it needs to work. Its roading capability. A real step forward in air conditioning with this new operator environment. You'll feel it for yourselves in a few minutes when you have a go on the machines. So the range comes as standard with smooth ride. So you can see the cushioning on the loader arms. So even on this rough terrain, Mark is sat in complete comfort within the cabin. The smooth ride is taking the rough out of the terrain that we have on the side. The transmission is 40 kilometers an hour capable, meaning it can travel 40 kilometers in just 1 hour, as well as do a full day's work excavating, loading and moving materials when he's there. And Mark, our demonstrator, is sat there in complete comfort in the operator environment, thanks to that fantastically air-conditioned cab. A real step forward in air conditioning with this new operator environment. You'll feel it for yourselves in a few minutes when you have a go on the machines. So the range comes as standard with smooth ride. So you can see the cushioning on the loader arms. So even on this rough terrain, Mark is sat in complete comfort within the cabin. Class leading fuel efficiency and a product in the range that is suited to absolutely all customer requirements. Highly productive, highly fuel efficient. So ladies and gentlemen, there we have it. The new 3CX, 3CX Plus and 3CX Pro model range. Thanks very much, guys. big thank you to our demonstration team. We've got Jack, we've got Sam, we've got Mark, we've got Matt, we've got Laurie.